Hey everyone, welcome to the 6th episode of Chuck's Keto Kitchen. I have a treat for you today which should help curb those sugar cravings. So here we go, chocolate orange brownies. These are so moist and delicious, you'll love them. Okay, so on to the ingredients. We need some coconut flour, erythritol, cacao powder, unsalted butter, vanilla essence, baking powder, eggs. Oh, let's not forget the oranges. Right, let's get baking. First off, boil the oranges. Get the water boiling, add the oranges. They need to boil for an hour. Once they're done, they need to cool, so it's worth doing this before you start. Once the oranges are cool, add them to your blender and blend them until smooth. Gotta love the Vitamix. Okay, so once that's done, let's move on. So 150 grams of unsalted butter. That needs to melt in a pan. Whilst that's melting, let's crack on with the eggs. 8 eggs into a bowl. Keep an eye on the butter. Right, then let's add the vanilla essence to the bowl. So we need 4 teaspoons of vanilla essence. And once the butter is melted, we'll drop that in the bowl as well. Right then, so let's get our electric whisk and blend these ingredients together. Give it all a good whisk up. Once that's done, we need to add our orange mixture. This will give the brownies a nice orange, deep orange flavour. Okay, so add that to the ingredients, and then again we need to whisk it all up till it's nice and smooth. Make sure it is well whisked, as you can see. Once done, let's add the dry ingredients. So first off, we're going to add the sweetener. Again, whisk all of the ingredients up one at a time. Make sure they're all really mixed in well. Okay, in goes the coconut flour. The mixture will start getting a lot thicker now with the coconut flour, so it might need a little bit of work. And then finally we add in the cacao powder. This will take on a nice deep dark colour. So get all that nicely whisked up. Let's not forget the baking powder, so we need to add that in. So 2 teaspoons of baking powder, in that goes, and this will help the brownies rise. And again we need to whisk that all together. Again, a very good whisk, get all those ingredients mixed up. Right, we need to get together, get a brownie tin out, give it a good grease. It's always worth using a nice new clean brownie tin. Add all the mixture into the tin and then give it a quick level off and then a light tap. Now your oven should be set to 180 degrees Celsius. Once the oven's warm and the brownies are all nicely leveled off, get them in the oven. It should take about 25 minutes, but I would recommend after 20 minutes keep a check. And there we go, 25 minutes have passed, out come the brownies, looking good. Okay, onto your cooling rack. So you might need to just peel the brownies away from the baking tray with a knife, as I'm doing now, and flip them over onto a baking tray, remove the brownie tin, and hey presto. Okay, so the brownies smell amazing, but I feel like I need something to go with them. So let's whisk up some cream, nice fresh cream. Cut up a nice slice of brownie, add that to a plate, a nice dollop of whisked cream, and we're ready to go. So if you are interested, each brownie is well, out of the whole tray you should get roughly 18 brownies. Each brownie is around 162 calories, that's 11 grams of fat, 5 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbohydrates and 4 grams of fibre. So that gives you 8 grams of net carbs. Absolutely perfect. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram at Chuck's Keto Kitchen to keep up to date with all the latest videos. Thank you.